I'm Angie and I teach 3rd grade, and I'm going to talk to you today about how I use Educreations with my students. One of the things we learn about math is some basic introduction to multiplication, and one of the things that we do is put it in sort of a story format where they take the numbers and they have to figure out what the multiplication means, the concept behind it, the making of groups. So after we've done a little bit of that, one thing I do is have students make up their own problems. And instead of doing it paper and pencil like I used to, now I can use Educreations. So for example, a student could create a problem that looks like there are 3 apple trees in my yard. Each tree has 5 apples on it. How many apples are on the trees? And what they could do is record themselves actually solving this problem, actually drawing the trees and counting the apples, and it will show the different movements that they make with their finger and how they solve the problem.
Okay. Just try not to move it very much.
Okay. To give you a little bit of a close-up of how the students could use this, once I typed this problem in by using the text tool, and then I actually went in and locked it so that it couldn't be moved around. And what the student could do is after they've got their problem, they would hit record and then say, okay, well I have 3 apple trees, so I'm going to draw my trees to model that part. And then also if you do the drop down, you can draw, of course there's no brown, but we're going to have some gray. There we go. Okay. Then they can go in and add their 5 apples to each one. And then they could model how they would count the 5. Now, if they could write the numbers or somehow model that they counted it, but show that there are 3 groups of 5 to get the 15 apples. And then they would...
Okay.